paste those things on the is my video clear? Paste those things
Ma'am.
on the any
Yes.
object. I will show you which are all the objects you can use to paste those things. Then you can it really give nice decorations on that. Okay. So decoupage is that one, and mandala while doing I'll tell you about mandala also. I'll join it with my another cell phone. The host please note it so that I will see like I'm visible properly in that also, in the another instrument also. In that I will put my audio and video off. Okay, am I clear? I'll turn the laptop to my tabletop. So since I'll not be able to see the comments here now, so I'm just joining with another mobile. So let's see first the decoupage. Yeah, decoupage is a pasting of any designs onto different surfaces and make it look like a painting, and you can decorate all these things. So for that, I'm going to just use a CD or any bottle or even a clear bottle. You can do that. I will show you different items also in which, see, in this I have made it with the CD. In this CD I have
Ma'am, actually you can reduce the sound of your laptop, ma'am. You can mute the laptop or you can mute one device.
no,
If both
actually I'm
devices
not
are on,
hearing. Yeah, I have muted my mobile. I don't know why I'm not hearing in the audio. Is there any echo, any problem in this?
no ma'am, no echo has come.
Okay, you have actually there will be two names, Trinity Creation. See that in which I am giving the demo. You please pin that video to your screen. Okay. So this is the decoupage tissue. This is available in any stores. This have three layers. Okay. This have three layers. Only you have to take only this single layer. You can do it in the plain bottle also. I will show you the bottle in which I have done it. See, in this bottle, I have done this. See, it will not look like some these wrinkles. I just wanted these wrinkles so that it looks like a distressed one, like an old bottle, not like a new one. So I have made some wrinkles in purpose only. This I made it in the ketchup bottle. So this one is that, and then I have made this on a CD. Here, I in this bottle I have pasted all the waste tissues that which are removed from this backside of this. That tissues I have pasted initially, and then I have pasted. That's why these wrinkles are there. I pasted these floral designs, and then you can see in this CD I have pasted the thread, the piping thread all around here, and then I have pasted this thing, and you can see the impression of the thread in this. Are you clear? So this impression, it doesn't look like you have pasted a picture. It looks like you have painted on this, painted on the things. This you can use it as a coaster or a wall hanging. This is done on a waste CD. See, you can see the thread here in this. So anybody, if you want, you can take a screenshot of this. So this is the thread thing. So now since it will not dry, if I am going to show you the sticking of thread also, after it dries only we have to paste the uh, tissue. So that I have made a bottle which is already I have wound with the thread. This has to be done with the glue, either a fabric glue or a Fevicol MR, all the or A plus. You have different glue in this in different formats. You can use either one of these things to glue it, and you have fabric glue also. That also you can use to paste the uh, thread around the bottle. Now I'll show you how to use the tissue. This is the main part of the decoupage. So even you can do it on the plain jar also. See here, I actually like to see the more whiter the better, or it should have a lighter base. If you have any dark maroon color or green color base and all, that will show up on the tissue, and the this image will not be bright. So always use a plain transparent jar, or if you have any colored bottle only, means you have to dab white acrylic color on that. Don't use the brush, you dab it with the sponge like this. This in this I have used a sponge with the color. You just dip the color and just you have to sponge all over this like that. You have to do it in the bottle, let it dry, and then start pasting the tissue if you want to do it in the plain jar, or just you do it only on the transparent jar. Don't use any colors, because that color will show up on the tissue. Now we have to remove these two layers. So instead, actually I like to not to have a very precise cut. So usually I used to have like do it like this. Or one more thing you can do is you can use some water, slightly wet it in which area you want to cut the tissue. So slightly wet it with your finger or with any brush like this all around the design. And then just pull it like this. It will have a distress effect which I like it. Or if you want to cut it with scissors also, you can do it. Just take care you are not damaging the uh, area you want to paste. Okay, like this I have taken it. So according to the size of the bottle you can do it. So I want to have a little lesser size here in the underneath portion. So I'm just taking off some more tissue from here. I like this kind of edges, so it doesn't look like something you have pasted. So I will want to remove these uniform edges also from this. Hope you are not hearing any echo, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It's clear, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, clear, ma'am.
Already I have removed the second layer also from this. So what now we will do is you have to paste it here. In here. So there is a product called Mod Podge gloss. This only we are going to use today for pasting this. So this is my table. Don't mind about my table. I have put a brown sheet there. So I will be using that only for all my colors, dabbing and everything. So what you have to do is now just keep it on the plain table. See, while it is dry, you will be able to remove this other sheet also. So you have to use only this thin layer of the tissue. Just you can either paint the Mod Podge on this bottle itself throughout the entire area where you want to paste the tissue, or on the other way you can do it on the tissue itself, but take care that you don't damage the tissue. So don't too much rub it. So you have to do it with the entire thing, but I'll show you a different method also. You can paste it wherever you want, and then take a soft cloth and then push it like this, so that you can see this thread in the background. That you have to see that, that's when you will see it is like it gives a painted effect. So you have to hold it like this and then apply this Mod Podge glue on this tissue in one direction. Don't do it this way and that way, the tissue might get damaged. So this, even from above, when you are applying it, it will get seep underneath also and get stuck with the bottle. Since my thread is light color, I have not painted it white. But definitely white gives you a different impression, as you showed up in the bottle. In the bigger bottle, I have given only the white. On the white only I have done this. So it is all your, see, in arts, I won't say this is right and this is wrong. It is actually each one's preference and taste and interest. How do you want it? How the outcome has to be, that has to be decided by only you. So if you are confident that your outcome is good, then that is good. But only thing is, like, you have to know some basic things, how to start, and what are the materials available in the market, how we can use that to our advantage. And see, one single material I may just use only for sticking, but that same material you will be using it for different purpose. So normally, even this empty bottles of paints, I used to store it and do some other thing with that, like clay or something. I'll stick on that and then make a clay doll also. So it's all in your perspective how to use the available materials and use up your waste things also, which are just lying around. So if you prefer, you can do the entire bottle also, or you can just leave it like this on one side only, so that it will look like the bottle is painted on the one side. See, I don't want any cut edges. I just wanted to have only this kind of edge. So I'm just pinching it off so that doesn't like look like I have pasted it. But let it have an outline. Okay, it should not, the tissue should not be pasted here and there. It should have the outline. Can you see now all this thread impression is there?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
because of that, what how it will look is like it is painted on the bottle. So after it is dried, you will see some shine on this bottle. If I will uh, see, if please let me know if I am not exactly showing on the screen. Okay. Uh, because of that only I'm having this mobile also with me, so that I can see the chats. So are you able to see me? See this bottle? It will look very beautiful.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You do it on a bigger things also, like ketchup bottles, this one. Even I have done this decoupage on my dressing table, but what I did is, it is a brown, it had a varnish, brown varnish also, but it gave, that varnish was coming up on the tissue, and it gave a very antique look. So this white was not there. So it is depending upon your taste and interest. How do you like it? You can do that way. So maybe I'll do this entire bottle a little later, and then I'll show that, show this bottle tomorrow. So this is the way you have to do. If I'm doing it in live, see, this is the live. I have shown you how to paste your tissue. First you have to, either you apply the glue on the thread and then paste the thing, and with using a soft cloth you have to press it down so that the thread impression is shown out. Okay, otherwise you can do that on the tissue, at the back side of the tissue you have to apply the Mod Podge and then paste it on the bottle, and then you have to apply Mod Podge over the tissue also. See, after it is getting dried, you are not able to see the tissue. Actually these white portions are becoming transparent, and only you are able to see only the colorful portions. Okay, so now it is looking like it is painted on the thread itself. Painting on a plain surface is different, and painting on a threaded surface on a ununiform surface is different. So when you, and you have to, after it dries, you have to give at least 2 coats of this Mod Podge so that it gives a shine also on your painting. So if you want to enhance this, that's where that glitter comes in. So after it dries completely, you have to apply either silver color glitter or gold color glitter, whichever is your preference. It has not dried yet, but still I will use the glitter wherever you want. If you want, you can just spread it like this. Don't make it look like it has a 3D effect. You can just give a spread like it, and it will give you the shine of the glitter. This is also a Fevicryl product, which is a 3D outliner. This can be used in dresses also. So I'm just spreading it like this, here and there, and so that it gives a shine. Can you see that shine? After it dries, it will really look very beautiful. So this is what I have done in this CD. See, can you, are you able to see this shine in the CD? Some glitters in this. It is not only, it is not only this silver you have to use. You can use the gold glitter also. Okay, so this you can use it as a coaster. Since we have given this Mod Podge, this is provides as a sealant as well as like a varnish, so it doesn't get damaged so easily. But don't put it in water or anything. You have to just wipe it with the wet cloth, or better you can use it as a showpiece. So you can use this as big as you want. Not only the floral designs, you get different designs. Even nowadays you are getting like Buddha, Ganesha, like that. Now this is something like butterflies and some more flowers, and you get birds, animals, everything you are getting. Actually I preferred more whiter tissue, that's why I showed you this one. This I liked it more, in which what I have. So please do try this. If you have any doubts, you can feel free to WhatsApp me, or you can form a group, and in the group we can also discuss. So this is the one I want to show. The other thing is, this is, I have taken a printout in a A4 size paper, and I have in the same way I have applied little water and just given some raw edges here. And here in this bottle, this is a honey bottle. I have bound it with jute thread, and then I have stuck this paper, but this will not have the effect as the tissue paper. This has, because it is little a bit thicker, so it will not have that effect, but still you can do this. This will give you the different effect. In here also you can apply this silver glitter on the edges of this bird house. Like this you can just little bit spread, and you can do the, it is all your choice. And there are different types colors of glitters also. You can use silver, gold, green. For leaves you can use green. If there are some flowers you can use pink. You can enhance the way you want. See, there are roses here, so here you can use pink glitters. So that will enhance the beauty of this. So I just wanted the jute to be seen outside, so I have left it that way. The other thread you can use is this one. This is macrame thread. This also you can use. So this is little thicker. And another one is in tailoring shops, the piping threads will be available. That also you can use. If you want to see, I will show it also. Let me know if you want to see the piping thread. So let me move on to the mandala. Okay. Any doubts on this decoupage? Because our time is short. Actually, each one of the subject I can go on for a day, one full day. Uh, Making at least showing you at least 2 3 articles, finishing the articles. But now I have to cover up in 2 days. This subject is vast, but my concentration is to induce your interest to learn some of these things. I conduct a free workshops also, at least 2 workshops in a month. So you, if interested, please WhatsApp me and I'll let you know the details also, or through college also you can learn. See, another thing is we will go to the mandala. Mandala is something a traditional art which is very much prevailing in the Buddhism. Okay, that was prevailing in Buddhism, but later it came to in Hinduism also. It is all adopted. Mandala is what it means is like it is in Sanskrit. It is basically literal meaning is it's a circle, and you can find out exactly the center of the circle, and you will be doing the designs all around it. Okay, so you will be having a real mostly it will be round designs, but nowadays we do the fusions also. We do various other things using that mandala things, and mainly now this dot mandala is very popular, getting popular now, and many of them doing the dot mandala. Actually, mandala, if you think of it, it is in our ancient temples. நிறைய கோவில்ல, நிறைய சவுத் சைட் தமிழ்நாடு கோவில்ல, எல்லா கோவில்ல பார்த்தீங்களாலும் இந்த roofல வந்து there is lot of designs. We used to think it is a kolam. Now it is coming up, it is called mandala designs, and all those round designs and the kolam போட்டுட்டு there is a lot of painting. Uniformly it is painted, it has symmetry, and the Mari paintings are called mandalas. And they adopt religious wise, they adopt according to their religion. The designs are adopted according to their wish, and the colors are used according to their wish. Now these dots are getting very popular, and you can do this is kind of fusion. You cannot say this is really a mandala. Mandala means it has to be round. Now I have attempted to do this kind of design. So in just it is like an abstract also, like there is a tree and a river, and this is a ground, and this is the sky. There is some these are the young leaves and fruits. It is in my perspective. So in and there are fishes in the thing. It is like an abstract only. So this also I have made like this mandala. Now we are using the dots in the rounded designs, and I have used the same dots in this abstract. So this is kind of one of the kind of mandala also. This I have used the cones like this. The these are the gold glitter cones. You get really neon colors also in this. So with that neon colors, I have made this one and used mirrors here. So I'm showing different articles because I want to tell you the usage of it. See, it doesn't mean that you have to do only a wall hanging. Some utility items you can do it. So here you can paste your photograph, some pictures here, and make it as a photo frame. And this is another thing. It is nothing but the hair cream dabba. So in this, my daughter has painted black, and always it is done on the black background or any darker background. So it is painted black first, and then she has used different tools to give different size of these dots. Okay, so I'll show you the one of the how to start it. So this is a MDF board. Here I have painted it black. Find the center point, draw these lines. Now I will turn the camera here. Find the center point and then do this. This is how you have to start the mandala. So see, this is equal. See, somewhere you measure it, and or you can do it on a paper and then trace it with a yellow carbon or white carbon. So I'm doing it with the white pencil since you can see it clearly. Here I have done it with the normal regular pencil. Like that, how many ever, it's like a pizza slicing. How many ever segments you want, you can do it. And then we have to start doing it, doing different dots. So I'm going to use different tools just which are available with us. This is a glue stick. I'm going to use this. So I have painted black because this has to dry. If it is not dry and you are going to use this color on this, the black will seep into it and then it won't look good. So put it on the flat surface, put it on the palette. This is a glue stick I am using for the size of this. Take the paint for the center dot. You have to just put it like this. So make it as a circle here. And then you can next for the next set of you can have some brush if you want to make it really a little bit of adjustments you want to give. Actually it shouldn't be necessary to do this adjustments. Then I'm going to use this it should be flat. Actually this has little bulgy edge, so you should not use this kind of things. This should be literally flat. So next thing I would find is like a earbud. What you do is a little bit apply gum on this earbud so that it gets dry, and it will give you a thickness here so that the colors doesn't steep into the cotton. So here I am using the same color again. You can use like here. Hope you are able to see this.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is actually very ancient art, and you will have while doing this, no, you have you can develop your concentration. It is very meditative and therapeutic also. You will gain lot of calmness in your mind whenever you are stressed with your studies or whatever the problems. Do some this kind of artwork and you will realize that you are getting calmer, and you can think clearly, and then you can think and find a solution properly actually. So develop some kind of art in you like this, whichever you are interested in. See, while seriously, if I start to do this, no, like I'll forget to talk also. Like I'll be just going on doing it until I complete it. Then really your mind will be totally diverted into from whatever problems or stress you have. And later, if you think about your problem, then you will realize it is very easily solvable, and it has a solution. Every problem has a solution, right? It is. You can do that. Or if you want to take a break from your studies, you do something like this, and then your mind is refreshed, and then you go on to study, and really you will find the difference. So next I'm using white with a brush. By practice, you can make different sizes of dots in this. See, 4 dots are kept in different sizes with the same brush, but instead you can use a toothpick also. So can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, because of my interest in art, I underwent training from Fevicryl uh, products. They Pidlite Industries has these all kind of products. Uh, this fabric painting, acrylic colors, 3D cone liners, glitters, all those things. And then every year they conduct a teachers training program, and they give training for to be an expert teacher. So I underwent all those trainings, and now I am a certified professional of this Fevicryl group. Fevicryl teachers. I'm a Fevicryl certified professional, and I conduct workshops on behalf of them, as well as I conduct my individual workshops like stitching, embroidery, whatnot. I have actually a big passion towards all this arts and crafts. So that only I have made my profession. I wouldn't say it is really it is for only for earning, but it gives a lot of satisfaction for me that I'm able to spread my knowledge to others. So with my qualification, you all know, like I can work also, but okay, my family circumstance didn't allow me to go out much on a full time basis. Still I had gave all my tries to work, but later I thought this is the best for me. So I settled down in teaching arts and crafts because I love teaching. So always you have some secondary thing apart from your education. You equip yourself with some other talent. So on in time it will really help you. Even if you're not making it as a business, yeah, you can have it as a like a stress buster. uh, so you will be only those who are doing these things can realize like how much they feel relaxed after doing this. So actually I get into a silent mode when you start doing very seriously, your mind will be very calm, and you will be doing all this things. When you
Ma'am,
develop
it's
these
not
kind of
clear,
designs
ma'am.
by freehand, your concentration is getting more. See this, actually this line I have made in a hurry, and I don't think it is exactly equal. You can use a protractor to mark the degrees of these lines. So every 10 degree or 15 degree as you wish, you can, so you can develop the design in full of this thing. So I will definitely post this if we are able to have. Maybe I will forward to Lata ma'am, and she can share it with you all. Or any of you, if you are interested, you can form a group and add me in there, and I will post the finished products of this these sessions in that group. So just take the permission of Lata ma'am for this, because I don't know whether it's okay with the college. So like this, you have to develop your design. So while you're developing, your concentration is much more on this, and you find totally you will be relaxed, like you are sleeping and getting up. So while just you intend to sleep, when you have some worries, you are not able to sleep also. But concentrate on these things. Definitely, slowly your concentration will come into this. You will forget whatever the worries or whatever the stress. That just will you will be concentrating on finishing only this thing, and then after that you will feel very relaxed. Uh, so this is about mandala. This is like our column only, and this is called a dot mandala. But you can also do this kind of things, like you can prefer to do like நம்ம டெம்பிள்ஸ்ல எல்லாம் இருக்கு இல்லையா கோலம், அந்த ரூஃப்ல எல்லாம் போடுற கோலம் எல்லாம் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அது மாதிரி கூட if you are not able to do it freehand, draw it in a white paper, and then you can transfer that with the carbon paper in this. Like this also you can do. It is not necessary that you have to do only with the dots. Like this also you can paint it. See, when you're starting to do this so uniformly, your mind gets very much concentrating on this. Your concentration will be developed. You will be able to concentrate in the. This will train your mind to concentrate. First, initially you won't know like what design you are going to do it, but while you start doing it, just I'll tell you, like, just start doing it on a paper. Just take a pencil and paper and just start doing it from the center. You just go on, develop the design. You will see how much concentration you have on that, so that will train your mind. It's like a meditation. This you can do it in MDF boards or canvas boards, like this. Then you can again go on giving dots. See, actually, while doing, I forget to talk. So that's how that it leads to the concentration. Select the brighter colors so that it shows up very nicely on the black background, or you can choose a maroon background also. In white, it will not show up like this, so bright. I'll just finish this and stop it here so that I can go for the clay accessories. Like this, you can go on developing the designs. Hope the session is interesting, but I don't have, I am not getting any doubts or anything. I'd like to show my mandala work to everyone. Can I speak up? Yeah, Oishi Jain, if you are still on the line, just now I'm seeing your comment. You can show up also.
Yes, good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am,
And then now we will move on to the accessories, clay
good afternoon,
accessories.
ma'am.
For that, I am going to use this Fevicryl clay molded. It is not
Ma'am,
exactly clay. Clay, it is a chemical called, I mean, resin and hardener. You normally find it in this M seal,
I
in which
see,
you
I
have to
see.
mix up
She's
these both
here.
together.
She's not hearing
You will
our
have two
audio.
packets here.
Okay. So maybe whatever doubts
I am
you
not
feel
hearing you actually. Have you unmuted yourself? Maybe the host has muted all and you're not able to unmute yourself,
Ma'am, Ayushi was speaking, ma'am.
because I am
Can you
not
hear
hearing
she's
us?
any voice in my headphone.
she's she's not having the audio of any of us. She's not hearing anybody. Only we are able to hear her.
Somebody is talking, I think. Kavita Raju. because if I raise my mobile audio, I'm hearing echo. I'm supposed to hear in my headphone, but I'm not hearing anybody. Can anybody talk? Yeah, I'll reduce my mobile. I don't know why I'm not hearing in my headphone. Please, can you put it on the chat? Somebody take the initiative and put it on the chat. Normally, I won't have this problem. I always use this headphone only. Since you are able to hear me properly, and I have set my uh, audio in my headphones only. Maybe I'll just put it on the speaker. Can somebody talk now?
Can you hear us, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm from laptop. I'm able to hear. From the speaker, I'm able to hear. Now, are you able to hear me?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
it is
actually,
networking going
we are
on.
able to hear you. From the beginning, we are able to hear you, but you are not able to hear our voice.
Yeah, that's why I don't know why I'm not hearing in myself a headphone actually. Now I have
It's okay, ma'am.
switched to the laptop speakers. Now you are able to hear me if I put out the headphone also, because at least should be
Yes,
Yes,
allowed.
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We are hearing you clear.
Okay.
Can
Now
you
I
hear
have
us, ma'am?
put out the headphone. Okay. Now we'll have these two things, because I have to be little quicker. I think by 3 o'clock I have to finish the session. So according to your need, you take only the half quantity of the each of these things. So now I have to be more quicker. I'll show you the different articles I wanted to show you. So these are the clay things. This I have given the wooden finish. Maybe if I have some balance, I will show you, continue tomorrow also. This is also done by clay. This coloring I will show you. Now I will show you how to make the pendant for this. This is earrings I have made. I will show you the pendant also, and these are the another earrings which I have given some shape to it. After rolling it into like a dough, like chapati dough, after rolling it, I have cut it with, I have given the impressions with the mint leaves. I have put the leaves on the clay and made the impression, and then I have cut the outline. With the same leaf, I have made the impression for both the earrings. I have cut it and then put it on that rolling pin itself, on the chapati rolling pin mele idla potuட்டு I have given a little twist, so that when it is semi dry, I took it and kept it for drying like this, so that it had this curvy effect. So I thought leaves means it will not be just exactly like straight. I wanted to have that as a twist. So this I have made with the same clay. I have made a cord like thing, and then I have rolled it into spirals. And this is actually, it is called Tarikasi art. Actually, this is made with it's made with the silver coils. It's kind of a filigree art only, like not filigree, something else. So like that, you have to, like in the papers, they will cut it so precisely with lots of holes will be seen, but they will have a figures also. Like that, this is done, but this will not leave like a paper cut, but you can make thin cords with this and then make like this. For this, I have made a pendant also. So jewelry finish. This is also again a cord. With the cord I have made, just I have twisted the cord and just twisted it, and whatever the shape I took it, painted it black, and then with the bronze dust I have given a dry coating on the black. Paint is wet. I just dusted the bronze powder on that, so that it gives this bronze effect. So whatever the balance clay I will be having, each and every time I used to make balls like this and then put a hole in this immediately and make it dry, because with the rest of the clay I will not be doing, I cannot do anything really useful. So I used to do like these beads, like these things. I can color it accordingly and use it for the next project to bead it. Okay, now you have to make use of a talcum powder so that it protects your hand. Just rub it and you have to mix these two clay. And it has to turn white. So actually with the remaining clays and all, I used to do little shapes like this and keep it so that I can use it for different accessories. See, this is one of the clip which got wasted because of some paints or something had dropped in this, so that I was not able to use the clip. So I had made some flowers and done this thing. I'll show you a coloring on this also, because this will not be getting dry. So I'll just show you the gist of it, how to do it. Like this you have to roll it with a rolling pin. But in the rolling pin, chapati don't use it for your kitchen, because this is chemical. You have to wash it very nicely, or you use a separate rolling pin for this. Now I am using actually the glue stick only. And you can give the smooth effect like this. You have to rub it with the powder. See, I have some templates made like this. Now for the pendant, now I am going to use this one. So keep it on this. So it has to be as big as this one. So see, it should not be too thin also, because while cutting veins that might get cut. Like this, you have to roll it. Roll it and then cut it with this pencil knife. This you can make it, this template you can make it in the chart paper also, so that you can get real thick impression. But I'm having the paper on this and then cutting it, so it'll come precisely. Since we have very short time, I'm doing it quickly, but you can smoothen it with the powder later if you have some raw edges, if the edges are not smooth. So you have to remove this excess clays. Then you remove this, you get this shape. You can smoothen it by using the powder. And then pinch a little, because it has to give a shape of a leaf. But don't disturb its entire shape. So use as much powder you want to give a smooth effect. So actually this has to get little bit semi-dry, because now itself if you start cutting it, you might cut the whole clay, because it is thinner also. For earrings, if you are making it thick, then you will feel it heavy. So like this you have to give. So instead of using this cutting edge, you can use the back side of the blade so that it doesn't cut it. Like this you have to form the veins. Or if you have this real leaf with lots of veins, you have to keep the, instead of this template I made, instead you can keep the leaf on this and give a roll, so that veins get you will get the impression of the veins on the clay. Like this, you can give lot of veins. And before, maybe you can keep a newspaper underneath, so that even if it gets stuck on that and gets dried, you can apply little bit of, because when it is not dry, if you are removing it, it will lose its shape or get cut also. So now you have to keep it, see it is getting cut, so you have to keep it dry wherever you are doing the work, and then keep it safe on a flat surface. Tomorrow I'll show you this one, how to paint and do this thing. See here I will show you, because this is a finished one. I have, because I want to show a finished product. I want to show how you have to start a project, and then how you will be doing it further. So here what you can do is, I will give you that bronze effect or
Very
waterfall, this
useful
same
for our body, all the
wooden thing.
entrepreneurs.
Pardon me? Somebody is talking. Hello? Is
Yes,
anybody
ma'am.
talking? Yeah. Anybody want to say something?
You proceed with yours.
So here you want whatever you want, like you can do a black and then give a bronze dust, or if you want to have a set like this, you can use a dark brown color. I think the dark brown color, I will show it on the leaf. Here what I'll do is, I'll give you, because I can show you two different things. Bronze dusting I'll show you. Because tomorrow after it gets dried, I will show you the wooden finish. So with this, we will end today's session. And tomorrow, please, you can have, if you want to do it along with me, have some A4 sheets to make the stencil, how to fold it. I'll tell you at least 2-3 models, and how to stencil that, transfer the design to the cloth. And I'll show you some of the models, and I'll just tell you like what I have done in those blouses, so that you can really, without even seeing the demonstration, you can try on your kurtis and any of your saris or blouses.
Ma'am, how many hours do we need to keep it for getting dry, ma'am?
Dry, actually, you have within 20 minutes you can finish doing it, because it starts getting hardened around in 20 minutes. By around 10 or 15 minutes, this cord making and all will be becoming easier. When it is too soft, you will not be able to make the cords properly. Tomorrow I'll tell you how to make the cord also, or with the remaining clay I'll tell you how to make the cord. Like this, you have to paint black,
I think it is
and around 1 hour, within 40 minutes or something, it gets hard like a rock. Then
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can start painting it. See, actually it has to, it will dry very quickly. This acrylic paints will dry very quickly. I have not done the painting properly because of want of time. See, the entire portion, take care that you are painting all this nook and corners, and at the back side also. And then what you do is, this is a bronze dust. Okay, this is a powdery in form. So after this black is dried, you just dust it over it. I mean, dry means it will not fully dry, but it should not get mixed with the bronze. So that much it has to dry. At least 50-60% it has to get dried, because this bronze powder has to stick on that, but it should not absorb the black color to it. So that much dry it should be. Since I have applied very thin single coat, it is dry very quickly. My fan is also on. Anyway, it is hot here, so it is drying very quickly. So it gives you a metallic effect. So how much effect you want, that much bronze powder you use. You can use silver powder also or gold also.
Ma'am, I think bronze paint itself is available, no?
Yeah,
Bronze
paint is
acrylic paint.
available. For this dry stroke, this powder is better also. But bronze paint, if you are using, let the black dry completely.
Okay.
Otherwise, it will mix with the black and it will not give you this shiny effect.
The color will disappear.
Yeah, that color will get mixed with the black. So you can have it as a set now. Make a pendant also, bigger pendant also. So this is a waist clip. Anyway, I will be throwing it out if I am not able to do like this. I cannot use this because you can see some white paint have stuck here. I was not able to remove it. But take care that you paint the entire portion of this flowers. I will just give you how to make those flowers. Is very easy. You make a small round for the center and then another round and make a tilak shape, like one portion only you press it like this and again then give a press like this and then you have to stick it like this all around. Make five, 6 petals and all around this you can stick it and then you can stick it with the help of fabric glue or Fevicol. You can stick it on the clip and keep it for drying
What
for
is
a day.
the name of the clay, ma'am? What is the name of the
Name
clay
of
you
the
are
clay,
using?
it is molded, Fevicryl molded.
Fevicryl molded.
Yeah. See this packet?
Yes, Fevicryl molded.
Fevicryl molded. Okay, now this clay, the squad making, I'll tell you. Only have in a flat surface, start using like this. But what happens when you do with only the fingers, unless you have that experience, what happens that there will be and this is not uniform. One side it is bulge and other side in some places it is not. It is gone very thin. So use some flat surface like this and do like this. See the cord now. After we mixed the clay, it is at least 10 minutes. This cord making will be easier. Then it is very soft. Like this, you can just go on extending this cord as much thinner you want. Use some flat this thing. Any glass also is fine, but be careful while using any glass. Panels like this, you can make the cord. That other one, the stud I have shown you is just I had made the twist and just I twisted like this. So you can make a bigger cord and make a pendant, or you can make around. See, it's all your creativity only. So the basic things are like this. You have to make. So you make bigger and bigger, or a big cord you make and make some twists and turns, and you can make a pendant. Okay, and before it is getting dried, somewhere you have to see. I have made a loop here for this thing. I have made a loop with the cord itself and given a hole so that I can insert a ring and make it as a hanging. So I think today we have exceeded our time by 10 minutes. Is it okay? I don't know whether you will be having all classes now. Anything you want to ask me?
Yes, guys. If you have any questions, just ask, ma'am. We'll be now ready to answer your questions.
See, I know I was little fast because we have taken up 4 projects and for 2 days. But I want to just give you the kindle your interest, so that how much ever I could show, I was showing, because this each project will take an hour. So
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, good afternoon, ma. Tell me.
Ma'am, what are the social networking sites you have an account, ma'am?
My account, Facebook page is facebook.com/Srinidhi Creations.
One thing I did all ma'am's social media platform. I gave you the details,
and then my Instagram handle is Srinidhi Creations.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you,
And then
ma'am.
I have given my phone number also, 9003102610.
Ma'am is also having YouTube channel, I think so.
Pardon
Ma'am,
me,
you're
ma'am?
having YouTube channel? YouTube channel?
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel also, Srinidhi Creations.
Okay, fine.
This bottle, see, this is again with clay only. All these rounds. See this, whichever, this is a ketchup bottle. This is a waste cardboard lying around. So I have made strips with this cardboard like ice cream. You can use ice cream sticks also. And this is because I am into stitching. I had a lot of these kinds of rings, buttons, and all those things. So I have used all those things as to show it up nails, as nails. It is a
Yeah,
barrel. Okay, and all these are that ball chains. And this I have made it with clay and painted it red, and that gold dust I have given. Green paint I have used and gold dust I have given. It is like a barrel and grapes on that. And then this is again another one. It is a Varli based thing. I have given texture at the background, and then I have given this one.
Yes, actually, real time
This
is
is
running up.
yeah. This is again just clay. I have not given any colors here. This is a mixed media art. Again, this is a clay only. This impressions you can give with pencil or pen like that. Again, I have made a cord. See, there is a lot of techniques using this clay. If your college permits or anything like, we can have a session on that. Otherwise, we can have this is again a key holder with the clay only. Or you can get in touch with me also for any of my free sessions.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, a very wonderful session for our budding entrepreneurs, and your artistic passion influenced each and everything you did. Actually, artistry work as different with Petra stuff. But many of our girls, they themselves were doing it. And as our came to an end, we continue again tomorrow at 10 a.m. So, students, you will receive the link for tomorrow in the group. At the end of tomorrow's session, we will post the feedback link and whatever information you have asked on the social media platform, ma'am is using, whatever, everything we will post in the chat box tomorrow. You will be receiving the feedback link tomorrow at the end of the session. To receive e-certificate, you have to fill the feedback link and feedback form, and then you can send it to us. We'll present your e-certificate also. And so now, as it is time, we are now signing up. Thank you, ma'am. Stay tuned for tomorrow's session. Thank you for joining us.
Yes, thank you,
so
ma'am. Thank you. Sorry,
Thank
I
you,
am not
ma'am.
able to hear you on my headphone. I'll
Thank
check
you,
what
ma'am.
is happening.
Thank you,
But
ma'am.
now I'm able to hear you from the laptop. And it is good to have you, nice students. I'm missing to see you all and teach you this. So I'm not able to see you all, and maybe tomorrow we can. Everybody can for at least 5 minutes, last 5 minutes. Everybody can switch on their video, and at least I'll see like whom I'm talking to. Really, I'm very fond of little girls.
Who are asking the question, who are those asking the question, you can just switch on the camera also and you can show your face to ma'am. So that will be very much pleased to answer your question.
Yeah, I'm actually very happy to see the girls. I want to see their
having
faces,
the class now,
like
they are,
how they feel, whether they are, how much they are involved, whether they are happy to know all these things. Because I'm actually not very, I wouldn't say like 100% satisfaction comes only when I'm teaching it full. Because I was just giving only the basic interest in them, just inducing the basic interest in them. So I'm making it very short. Tomorrow I'll show you all this finished article. Whichever we started, tomorrow I'll show you the finished article. Okay?
Ma'am,
yes,
can you just tell me the tissue's name? Like, how can we go get it in the shop?
Decoupage tissue.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Decoupage.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you guys.
Yeah.
Thank you for
Thank you.
joining
For
us.
any doubts, you can WhatsApp me also. I will make a note and explain it tomorrow.
Yes. So for tomorrow's session, we'll be sending you the link in the group. Okay? We'll be sending you the link in So please join tomorrow at 10 a.m. Okay.
Yeah.
Even 15 minutes priorly you can join with us so that we can, clarify all the technical issues and we'll come up with a very